right, there you have it. That is the Indian step, the most basic top rock in breaking. And this is how it goes. All right, you're gonna step out, at a diagonal, arms out. As you step back, arms in. Then you just cross out with the other foot, and then step back. And that's it. And you're gonna repeat it, okay? So you step out, and when you throw your arms out real big, okay? Step back, arms in. You're gonna step out, arms out. And there you have it. And this is what it looks like real time. Y'all practice, and if you have any questions, hit me in the comments. Peace.
Could you see my eye? Let me see how it looks.